Hey there, InstaFam. Welcome to AnHome Chanel, your go-to spot for all things Instagram. Today, we're unlocking the power of collaboration. Ever wondered how to team up with your favorite creators right on your feed? Stick around as we guide you through the ins and outs of making a collab post on Instagram. Let's get connected. Step 1. Open your Instagram app and tap on the sign to create a new post. Step 2. Choose your fabulous photo or video and hit Next. Step 3. After you've edited your post to perfection, tap Tag People. Step 4. Here's where the magic happens. Tap Invite Collaborator and search for your partner in posting. Step 5. Once you've selected your collaborator, they'll get an invite to join your post. Step 6. After they accept, your post will be shared with both your followers and theirs. It's that easy, and there you have it. You're now ready to take on the Insta world together. Remember, collab posts are all about mutual growth and creativity, so choose collaborators that vibe with your style. Thanks for watching, folks.